Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
Oh my god, you want to help her get out of those.
No, you're not. There's a button that I can click to get out.
You can't get the
Yeah,
key
but try to
in
get
her
out the.
like
Should
that.
I
She
get
can't
out the
get the key
key?
in her like
I
that.
can. I got out.
Try
of
the other one. Use your hand to try the other one.
I got that one.
Oh, that was way too far.
I'm not. Okay, look, I'm left-handed.
Yeah, that one ain't gonna work. You better go back and try.
So
and play.
he's right-handed, so no, this is the one that he used.
Yeah.
That's not fair. I'm not right-handed.
You can't use the one that you.
She can't. You have to. It's tied.
No, because you tied it too close, so the key
Instead
don't
of putting it
bend.
in the middle.
Like
well, no,
this. This is how I did it, Nicole.
The hole's not over there.
Look, you see this? See this, Nicole? I put your hand like this. Put it together like that. Yeah, you see that? That's how I did it. That was like this.
Look, put it in there.
Put your hands together like that. Keep going. Right.
Aw, damn.
Wow, easy peasy for me.
Well, my hands don't do that because they're bigger.
Wow, Nicole.
Wait.
Good one.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna see if I can get it in there.
Good one, Nicole.
Shut up.